Hello and welcome to BingoCardCreator.com. Today in this first video in a series of 3, I'm going to teach you how to get started creating your own unique customized set of bingo cards. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do, if you've never been here before, you're going to want to register. So it'll take you 30 seconds, just need an email address and a password, and you'll be able to log into a brand new account. If you have been here before and you've already registered, then you'll want to go to login where you will put in your username and password. Either way, you are going to go to your dashboard. So this is your BingoCardCreator.com dashboard. And so today I said we're going to talk about how to get started creating your bingo cards. And this will give you a few options. So if you've already been here before, then you've created a list or you've done a search and you've used one of ours, that will automatically be saved to your word list right here. And you'll be able to edit those or go ahead and reprint them from here. If you're coming in and you're looking for a quick idea, just something you could either just print and go with or customize, then you might want to do a search. So for example, maybe you wanted to do fall for a fun game with your students. So you could type in the word fall and any bingo cards related to that will pop up. You could choose one of those, and as I mentioned, you could print and go with them, or you could customize those and make those your own. And then finally, you want to come in and you want to start from scratch. So that's where we're going to go today, where you're going to click Make New Cards. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to give our cards a title. So we're going to call this one Summer Fun. And we're going to choose a card size. So just a little note about card size. The larger the card, the longer the game is going to take. So for example, a 5x5 card, you could probably count on about 20 minutes per game, give or take, depending on how fast somebody goes bingo, but about 20 minutes is average. And then the smaller the card size, then the shorter the game will be. So that's just considering your audience. Another thing to consider is, do you want them to cover the whole card or just a traditional line of bingo? Or what are you using it for? Maybe you're coming in, you're using this as a promotion for your business. So just this gives you options for, depending on how long you want the game to be and what you're using it for. Today, for sake of show, we're going to do the 3x3 card. The other thing I want to mention is this is where you would purchase credits, and 2 credits is all it takes to create a brand new set of custom bingo cards. With that 2 credits, you'll be able to print as many cards as you need, whether you need 1, 10, 500, 1,000, it doesn't matter, that's all included. You'll be able to style your cards the way that you want them. They'll also be saved to your account. So if you want to come in and you want to reprint that set of bingo cards that you've created, you'll be able to do that as many times as you need with those 2 credits. So 2 credits, like I said, is all it takes to get started with a brand new set of bingo cards. So we've purchased our credits, we've created our card title, we got our card size, we are ready to create some cards. All right, so I see over here, card name Summer Fun, and this is our step 1 where we create the word list. So this is where I'm going to add my words or my pictures, or a combination of the 2. So today I'm going to show you a combination card so you get an idea of how you do both, but you could do either or like I'm going to show you today, a combination. So for Summer Fun, I'm going to add some words like vacation, picnics, sunshine. And by the way, I can either click into the next box or I can tab into the next box. Swimming. Wouldn't be summer without running through the sprinklers. Okay, and maybe at this point I want to add some pictures to my card. So I'm going to click Add Image, and this is where I can either upload my own image that I have saved to my computer or mobile device, or I could search and see what we have available in our clip art library. So I'm going to go ahead and search summer, and I like this flip-flop picture, so we'll submit that. Search summer again. And how about the ice cream? Okay, so all I'm doing is I'm searching. I click on the image that's in our catalog. I like that watermelon one. Okay, so I just click on it, click submit. And summer again. How about that sunblock? Okay, And once again, I'm choosing the images that are in the bingocardcreator.com catalog, but you can upload yours as well. And same process will apply. Once you upload them, you'll see a little preview picture here. And that's it. And so now everything is in to be able to go ahead to the next step and style our cards. I want to show you right here is where we have a preview card. So you could kind of get an idea of what your card's going to look like. Now, Bingo Card Creator is going to shuffle them up and make sure each card is different. But this kind of gives you an idea. Another thing to mention in the next step, and this will be part of the next video in this series, you'll be able to replace the free space if you would like with your own text or image. You'll also be able to replace the column headers. So for example, if you, for a 5x5 card, typically you have the B, the I, the N, the G, and the O, but you could replace that with something else. And you'll be able to add a card title as well. And that'll all be in the second video in the series for step 2, which is style cards. Another couple more features I wanted to show you is if you wanted to cut and paste a word list, so maybe you already have a list of words that is in a Word document, or perhaps it's in Google Docs, you just click cut and paste, and you can go ahead and paste those words right in, and they'll automatically populate down here. The other thing, maybe you want to add some more words just to kind of give a little more variety to your cards. So I can click add more words, and let's just add one more word just so I can show you. And you'll see that the field pops up down here, and let's add the word beach. Okay, I could also add another image here if I want, and if I change my mind, I just click this red X. So for the 3x3 card, what's going to come up is what the spaces that are necessary to go ahead and complete the card, but you can also add more if you would like. And that is it. And so now you will be ready to go to the next step, which is the style cards. And should you have any questions, please feel free to contact support at bingocardcreator.com. Looking forward to seeing you at step 2, how to style your cards.